Okay, this is unboxing of something that I don't know what is it. Let's see what is it. Okay, I've now cut the sellotape. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have lots of packaging material. Ooh, Celestron. Celestron is a famous telescope manufacturer which belongs to China, and it originally was owned by Americans, but now is owned by the Chinese. It's Celestron Ultima-LX. Oh, let me open it. It's Eyepiece, fully multi-coated. It's fully multi-coated, 70 degrees apparent field of view, 16 millimeter eye relief. Oh. I'm really curious to see. Let me open it. It's quite heavy. I'm not surprised I had to package it so well. Oops. Oh, nicely packaged. Let us see this beauty. Ooh, whopper. Oh, Celestron Ultima. Ooh, wow. This is the biggest eyepiece I've ever had. 70 millimeter. Let me just remove the packaging. Oof, oof, oof. This weighs around 1 kilo, I think. The only thing is that the top has no lens cap. Well, it looks quite heavy. It's 2 inch, but you can use it with 1 inch also. It's modular. Yeah, it is modular. So you can use it with 1 inch focuser, and you can use this part of it for 2 inch focusers. Quite chunky. If I want to look into, I can say that this is really impressive. So I have now turned off the flash, and you can see through it the objects in the room. And here also. This is the viewpoint you will have when you look in the through this to the sky. Of course, you must have a. Oh, that's the eye relief. Okay, that's the distance you can see clearly. Oh, it cheered me up really. This is beautiful. I wonder how much I bought this. Let me check. And I have bought this £69. Really good, impressive. When you have a telescope, you should have a telescope which can handle this. This is 800 grams. That's 2 pounds in weight. And really, really impressive, heavy object. Oh, I'm so delighted. I wanted to buy a Pentax eyepiece, but that was really exorbitant prices. It went really high, and I didn't want to pay that much for an eyepiece. And I'm really delighted with this one I received. This is the oldest style. They don't make it anymore like this. Quite heavy, chunky.